Okay, so here I took out of the box, as you can see, this Narwal vacuum cleaner. So this is the robot, and as you can see here, we have, if you want to turn it on, just press this button for 3 seconds. So when you take it out of the box, this you have to put the brushes here. So basically you have the left and the right, and they are, you know, with different colors. So the orange, I mean the purple, orange, put it there, and that's it. So once you take this out, here you have the sensors in the front. This is the bumper, as usual. I used to have the iRobot, and I decided, okay, I'm going to get something with the mop, so that way everything will stay cleaner. Also, it should be easier to clean because you have this base station like that, like if it was a router for the computer. Something that it calls my attention, as you can see here, the unit will recharge here, and also here in the front you have something very easy, so you can remove the dirt the vacuum cleaner is going to collect, and then after that put it inside, so it looks very easy. And then you have 2 tanks, as you can see here. So basically one is for the dirty water, that will be this one, and for the clean water will be this one. And then it comes also with some cleaning liquid, so you know, for the smell, if you want to have something like this. And it seems like is RV friendly, because in the back I saw that it comes with an option to connect it, because now it comes with this cable that you see here, so that way you can connect it in 110 and 220. So if you're in Europe or Latin America, you can do that. Also, I was removing this and I see it comes with a plug, so it looks like you can connect maybe 12 volts or 14 volts. So here it doesn't say, it says 110, 100 to 220, 240, 72 watts, and that's it. So basically this is everything, but I'm assuming because in the robot it says 14 volt, maybe with 12 volt will be enough. So looks very clean and premium. So here you have the display, and here, like I showed you before, the tanks, and it comes with the instructions that you can use from your phone, or just read the paperwork. So this is very easy. Like I said before, you can put it all together just by putting the brushes here. So it says install the left and right brushes onto the robot. So one is purple, the other is orange. Just the power here on the side, and then make sure that you have at least 3 feet away, or 1 meter. There is nothing in front of the unit. And then here it says take out the clean water and put the bottle of the floor cleaner into the base station with the opening facing downwards. So I think you have to do that. I don't know if you can put both at the same time, but here you have the instructions. So and here you have the quick start, like I showed you before. Same thing. Install the left and right brushes into the robot. Make sure both brushes are seated firmly, and then just connect it. And that's basically, you can read the instructions here in the manual. And also I was reading in another one that is talking about the front here in this area where you have the display. With your finger is like a cell phone. You can manage everything, you can connect it to internet. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it goes. The manual, as you can see, everything looks like very premium. Looks like it was made by Apple. So that is a good thing. I wish, like tool companies like Milwaukee, they could do the same thing with their tools. They should not be that difficult to remove, but it looks very nice. So I'm going to plug it in and see how it goes. All right, so here we have the app, and we have to select the vacuum cleaner that we have. So in this case, we have the Freon. Agree on everything, allow, enable, next. Using the using the app. Now I have to type my password. It says connecting.
Network connected successfully.
Okay, now it says network connected successfully. So we can start mopping, I guess.
The robot has started mapping. Please clear any debris on the floor and open the
And that's it.
to be cleaned.
Now it's asking me if I have pets, if I have stairs, and then you select everything that you need here. Are any carpet in your house? No. That's it. So it should start mapping the house. Maybe in a few hours everything should be done. All right. So now, as you can see, we have the menu. So click next. Now we have to scan it with our phone to download the app, I guess. All right, here we have the activation code. Confirm. Download the app from here, or you can just download it, scanning the manual. All right, now it says swipe left to select the modes. Yeah, I saw this. So this is if you want to, so it will teach you how to use it basically. Okay, got it. Mode, if you want to swipe down, up. Now I have the app here, so I can open it. So I can see the real-time cleaning process. Allow, agree and proceed. You don't have to track anything. And yes, I'll put English. We have to enter my email and everything. It says mode, vacuum, vacuum and mop, vacuum only, mop only. Okay, you have, it's very basic. I mean, looks like, yeah, vacuum and then mop. Yes, vacuum and then mop. I think that is a good start. And then I can click begin, and that's it. So I later charge everything because this is the first time I'm going to use it.